Okay, welcome to part 2 of 3 of audience building across Meta, so that's Facebook and Instagram. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take your existing customer list, upload it into Facebook, and then map that out across their billions of monthly users in order to find customers who align with your business. Now, these audiences are super relevant and it allows you to use the full power of the Facebook marketing system. So let's dive in and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so method 2 relies on us having a customer list. Now we need to have 100 emails as a bare minimum from the geo, i.e. the country that we're looking to build the audience in. And I've got one of these handy. So the first thing we want to do is come over to our business manager on Facebook. You can either type in adsmanager.facebook.com or business.facebook.com. Then you want to come over to audiences on the left-hand side. Okay, just taking a quick break to say thank you for watching the video. If you like it, please consider subscribing. Please like the video. Please leave a comment. And if you think the content is valuable, please share it with someone that might be able to help. All right, back to the video. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit create audience and we want to make a custom audience. Now, in the last video, I showed you how to create an audience from the pixel using the website source. This source is going to be our customer list. And if you want to hover over this eye here for information, it says create an audience by uploading a list of customers who've interacted with your business. Information in the list is hashed into anonymized code before it reaches Meta, which is good. So we hit customer list, then we hit next. So I have a list of clients here. I'm going to blur them out because, well, they're not relevant to anyone who'll be watching this. But what we want to do is we're just going to copy that whole column. So then we're going to hit next. Now I like to just paste them in here as comma separated values. So we've copied that column in, bam, just hit paste. That's it. Now emails for tutorial, then hit next, import and create. Then from that, what we want to do in order to get some scale is create a lookalike audience. So this is the exact same process that I showed you in part 1. We're going to use Australia once again as the example. And we're going to create 6 types of audiences. You don't have to use all of these, but they will give you more scale. As you can see here, I like to separate them by 2 percentage points there. And so you can see as the audience goes higher up on the percentage scale here, there are less attributes that are matched to the original audience that you've uploaded. So this is going to be the most defined audience you can have, but we also want to give Facebook a little bit of leeway to draw in customers that may not exactly match, because that's going to give us twice as much scale in this particular example. So then you just hit create audience. So you can see these are all populating over here, and these are the website visitors from the pixel that I did in part 1. But if I go down here, I've already done this. So we can have a look over here, and we can see, so that's 420,000, 406, 427, and I'm just looking at this number here for size. And as we go down, so you can add those into all in the one campaign, or you can set them out as different ad sets if you really want to know where the conversions are going to be coming from and which of these audiences is working best. I'd recommend splitting it out if you have the budget. If you don't, put them all into the one and set it anywhere from $30 to $50 a day. Now, in order to add them to a campaign, we simply come back over to campaigns. I'll use my dummy campaign again here. And we'll pop a new ad set in there. And this is pretty similar to how you'd set up most of your Facebook ads. So we're on this one here for emails. Daily budget, I'm going to set at 30 because based on some testing I've been doing, that seems to be the optimal budget now. You used to be able to get away with $5 to $10 a day, but the CPMs go up, which means that the costs are going up, which means that reach is harder to get for a lower cost. So all we do is we come down here to Advantage plus Audience, Audience Suggestion, and then we're going to add in our custom audiences. So you can see that's still populating. It can take up to 3 days for those to populate. Just add those in, it's simple. So these are the ones that I've already done, and I've done them from the past 180 days. And these are the ones that I've already put in there. So you can see those audience sizes over there. You can add in one or as many as you like, and then you get your information on the reach and how many leads are expected there. So a lot of that may even be limited by what the budget is. So let's chuck that up at 50. I usually like to put in a high number just to see Yeah, so I don't particularly trust that. So that's just an example of how we can get an idea of what we're going to need to spend. I feel like $30 a day may be okay, especially because what we've got, we're generating leads. So you're looking at probably $5 to $10 per conversation that you can start across Instagram, and then you can engage with those customers and convert them into sales. So that's method 2. It's pretty straightforward. If you'd like to know how to do things specific to your business, then please reach out. I also run a coaching business. I help people set up these campaigns in a customized, bespoke manner for their business specifically. More than happy to help. Details in the description. Please reach out. So that's it for part 2. You should be able to now upload your customer list, create your audience, and start generating new business. Once again, if you'd like to work with me one-on-one, there's a link in the description to my calendar with a quick survey to see if we're a good fit, and it'll link to my schedule. Part 3 is also on screen now, and I encourage you to watch that, as this is a method that very few people are teaching, but it can be highly effective to make your ad dollars work much harder for you.